In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Afterpay and Sezzle at checkout so you can break your purchase into interest-free payments. So first you'll need to go to canautoperformance.com and then select the item you'd like to purchase. For this example, I'm going to use our test pipes. So add the item to the cart and then go to checkout. Now when you're on checkout, you'll be brought to the information tab. Here, you'll fill in your shipping address. I already have mine filled, so click continue to shipping. Select which shipping method you'd like to use. For this example, I'm going to use standard. Click continue to payment. And now you'll be brought to the payments tab. Now here, you're presented with 4 payment options. Now you'll see Sezzle and Afterpay down here. Select the one that you would like to use. Fill in your billing address and then click pay now. And you'll be brought to the Afterpay or Sezzle widget. Now for some users that don't see this, you may be signed into your ShopPay account. So this is the screen that you will see if you're signed into your ShopPay account. You'll have to put in your shipping information here, select your shipping method, but you will not see Afterpay or Sezzle as a payment option. So what you'll need to do is scroll down to the very bottom and click checkout as guest. Now here, you're presented with Sezzle and Afterpay, and then you'll fill in your billing address and click pay now. Thanks for shopping with Canauto Performance. I'll see you next time.